Good morning, friends and dear student. I am Professor B.M. Mahajan, working as an assistant professor in Sanjeevani College of Engineering in Civil Engineering Department. Today we are going to learn the numerical on voltage connections. So we have with us one numerical, that is statement. A single voltage double cover butt joint is used to connect two plates of 6 mm thickness, assuming the bolt of 20 mm in diameter. At the 60 mm pitch is given in the numerical, calculate the efficiency of the joint. Use Fe410 plate and use 4.6 grade of bolt. So dealing with this solution, so we have given some data. 20 mm diameter of bolt is given, so that is denoted by or designated by the D letter, that is 20 mm is given. Here next we have to find out diameter of hole, that is diameter of hole is also denoted by D suffix DH0 is equal to diameter of the bolt plus 2 mm is a clear distance, that is 20 plus 22, so total is diameter of hole is equal to 22 mm. Next 60 mm pitch is given, denoted by P, and if you ultimate tensile strength 410 Newton per mm square or MPa is given. Ultimate tensile strength for this bolt 400 as per the IS code 800/2007. Then partial safety factor for bolt, that is gamma mb is equal to 1.25. Next, E distance, that is E dash is equal to E, that is H distance is equal to N distance is 60 mm is given, or we can assume. Then next point is to find out the shank area, where A is area and S is shank for that respective bolt. Is denoted by area of shank for that bolt is equal to pi by 4 d square, where 20 mm is the diameter of bolt. So pi by 4 20 square is equal to 314.15 mm square is the area for shank area for that respective bolt. Then next we have to find out the net area for that bolt is equal to, either you can use the formula, that is 0.78 times of ASP, where ASP value is known. After substituting this value, we got the answer, that is 245.04 mm square. Next, second point, dealing with this solution, to determine the strength of bolt in shearing. We know that bolt is failed in shearing as well as bearing, or there are so many different criteria are there. We'll see one by one, but remember, so for example, this one bolt is there, so hexagonal in shape, so this portion is called as plane section, or which is also denoted by the N suffix S. So that portion is nothing but the shank plane portion for that respective bolt, and where, so zigzag pattern of this respective portion for this bolt is known as a threaded section for this respective bolt. Means this bolt is divided into two parts. One is plane section known as a shank area and threaded section known as a net area for this respective bolt. Then coming to next point, to determine the strength of bolt in shearing, which is denoted by the VDSP, where V is the shear, D is a design, and A stands for what? Shearing, and B stands for that bolt. So design shear strength for that bolt is equal to, we are going to note down the equation or formula, that is FUB divided by under root of gamma MB, where FUB is ultimate tensile strength for bolt divided by under root of 3 and gamma MB is partial safety factor for that bolt, which already given, that is we know that 1.25. Then multiply NN into NB plus NS into ASB. In our equation, first try to understand what is meant by NN and NS. NS is a number of shear planes for this particular plane section known as a shank portion, and next one is NN, that is net plane section for that threaded section. We know that bolt is fell in plane section as well as threaded section, means the NS value will be the 1 and 1. So this value 1 and 1, so we are going to define or decide on the basis of one criteria or one hint is there, so that we have to understand. For example, so this 6 mm plate is connected to 4 mm cover plates, where how many number of placings are there? Placing number 1, placing number 2, placing number 3. There are 3 plates are there connected like this. So there are number of 1, 2, 3 plates. So we are going to find out this value on the basis of this criteria. That is number of placings 3 minus 1. So final answer will be the 2. Means 2 is the number of plates. So it is divided into again NS will be the 1 and NN will be the 1. If these plates are 4 number of plates, 4 minus 1, so NS value will be the, or like this, number of shear planes will be the 3. Like that, again 5 minus 1 will be the 4. In such a way that we are going to do the calculation for this NS and NN value. After note down this formula, then substitute the value. FUB will be the 400 under root 3, gamma MB is 1.25, NN value will be the 1, into NB is 245.04 mm square plus NS value will be the 1 into ASP value is 314.50 mm square. So we'll get this answer, that is 90.54 kilonewton is the strength of bolt in shed. So after determining this, third step is design strength in bearing. So design strength in bearing denoted by the VDPB is equal to, the formula is 2.5 into KB into D into T into Fe divided by gamma M, where we are going to find out the value of this KB. KB is a constant and KB can be find out smaller of this equation. So this equation consists of the ratio of first criteria E divided by thrice of D0, where E is end distance, 3 into D0 is diameter of hole, comma P divided by thrice of D0 means pitch divided by 3 into diameter of hole minus 0.25. Third criteria is, that is FUB divided by FU, means the ratio of 400 FUB divided by 410 FU. So from that the value which we will get 0.97, and the last criteria is 1. Out of these 4 criteria, whichever is minimum, so we are going to find out this value. So E divided by thrice of T0, so value will be the 0.9, like this. P divided by trace of D0 minus 25, so value will be the 0.65. Next one is 0.97, next one is 1. So after determining the value of this constant Kb will be the smaller, that is 0.65. Substitute all values in our equation, that is 2.5 into 0.65, where D is the diameter of bolt, C is the thickness of plate, this 6 mm, that is intermediate plate of having 6 mm is the thickness of plate. Then Fu is equal to 400 Newton per mm square is given in numerical, divided by gamma mb is 1.25. So this value we have taken from the IS 800 2007, table number 5, page number 30 of same IS 4. Next, after determining design strength in bearing, then we have to find out the strength of plate in solid section or solid plate, that is in tearing per pitch length. So formula is TD is equal to 0.9 times of AG is a gross area into Fe divided by gamma m1. 0.9 as it is gross area can be find out pitch length multiply thickness of plate into Fe divided by gamma m1 as it is. So substitute values in application. So 0.9 which is 60 mm, where center to center between two consecutive bolt, that is P is equal to 60 mm is given. Means here one bolt is there, next one here bolt. Or try to understand here, for example, here one bolt and second one will be provided, and if you draw the center line, so pitch distance is given, that is 60 mm. So 0.9 into 60 into 6, F is 410 divided by gamma m1 for this solid plate. So answer will be the 120.76 kN. Last step is remaining, that is to determine the net strength of the plate in tearing per pitch length. Is denoted by the letter, that is TDN is equal to 0.9 times of AL, that is net area. Here the area is gross area, means total area. Here we are going to use the net or effective area into Fe divided by gamma m1 as it is. So 0.9 as it is, net area is find out by P minus D0 into P, or this letter either we can going to take either the pitch length or B minus of L into D0 into, so net area is equal to width of plate, that is width is 60 mm or pitch is 60 mm is given. So B minus number of shell planes is 1 into D0, that is diameter of hole, into thickness of plate, means total is B into P is the net area. So here B is equal to 60 mm minus D0, that is 22 mm diameter of hole, into 6 mm is the thickness of plate, into 410 divided by 1.1. So answer will be the 76.48 kN. Then out of these four criteria, the strength of joint will be least or minimum of these four criteria, that is VDSB, VDBB, TD, TDL. So out of these four answers, so minimum will be the 63.96 is the VDBB. So that answer we are going to choose for our final calculation. And last point is remaining, that is efficiency of joint. Efficiency of joint, it is the ratio of strength of joint divided by strength of solid plate multiply 100. So strength of joint is minimum, that is at least 63.96 and divided by 120.76 your strength of solid plate. Multiply 100, so answer will be the 52.96%. So this is the overall solution of numerical on bolted connection. So just we will take the review of this numerical. So note down the given data. Then find out strength of bolt, that is VDSB. Next we are going to find out strength of bearing, that is VDBB by this numerical. Then next step is strength of plate for the solid plate per pitch length by using this formula, and last one to determine the net strength of that plate in tearing per pitch length. So out of these four criteria, so which will be the minimum value that we are going to take it into consideration, that is strength of joint divided by strength of solid plate, we will get the final answer, that is efficiency of joint. Thank you.